Hello, in front of me I've got HOHEM M6. In this video I'll show you how to install and activate magnetic AI vision sensor. In the beginning, magnetic AI vision sensor has to be attached right here on the top. Now, to activate it, switch the button located on the side. Now, indicator light turns red with fill light flashing twice. Now you can manage gesture control. Show gestures to AI vision sensor from 0.5 to 1.5 meters away. Use this gesture to start AI tracking. Use this gesture to stop AI tracking. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.